Hello viewers, my name is Judith Akinyi, Judith Down the Villages. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a different topic that I want us to tackle. We've done the foundation, we've done the walls, and now what do we want to do? The roof. That is the roof. When building your house, step by step. I'm just sharing with you my own opinion. This is my own opinion, especially in Kenya. I kindly ask you to be with me till the end of this video. Don't you go anywhere. Consider subscribing if you are new here. And if you've been here and you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to help my channel grow. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Roofing is a very important exercise because it determines the ultimate look of a house. In Kenya today, there exist several companies that manufacture or sell roofing materials. In Kenya, most people use Mabati. What is Mabati? Mabati is a Swahili name of corrugated galvanized iron sheets which are used to cover a house. Mabati is lightweight and it can easily be transported. It is widely used in Kenya, especially in the rural areas. Roofing is a significant component of the Kenyan construction industry. Until the 19th century, Kenyans used slate, wood, and clay tiles as roofing materials. However, as technologies advanced, the number of iron sheets companies in Kenya grew. As a result, it became easier for these companies to produce roofing sheets in various materials. Iron sheet companies in Kenya produce variety of sheets. They have also flooded the market with corrugated sheets of different shapes, sizes, and gauges to suit every customer's needs. Furthermore, the companies use technologies that make their sheets lightweight, fire resistant, weatherproof, easy to install, eco friendly, and authentically appealing. That is just an orientation of the roof. Now you want to put up the roof. What do you need? Mabati. What did I say? Mabati. Mabati. Iron sheet. That is in English. Mabati is in Swahili. You need Mabati. Now you know you need to buy Mabati. There are different companies selling Mabatis in different sizes, in different shapes, in different colors. With the color, it is your choice, the color you like. But when it comes to the gauge and the size, it's the fundi to give you the gauge that will go up the roof. When you are buying Mabati, try to get 3 different companies that are selling Mabati so that you can know how their prices ranges. The prices don't range the same. Do that homework on your own. It's easy, just Google, find out different Mabati companies and how they are selling. Most of them will deliver the Mabatis free for you. So consider that if there is a company that is going to sell your Mabati, they should deliver you the Mabati for free to your site. Other material to consider for roofing are like timber. There are timber that you can choose the type you like the cypress timber and blue gum tree. It's the way now you want, whatever type you want, you will choose what you want for your roof. There are things like nails also, and these ones you are going to be directed by your fundi or contractor how to buy your nails, because you'll have different type of nails. So the contractor will always direct you of how you are going to buy your nails. Try to source for your material from different people so that you can get a good price, because people will give you prices differently, but sourcing from different places you will get a better price. Another thing to consider is to know that if you don't have the money to buy all the materials at once, go for the Mabati first and place them somewhere. Then go for the timber, because if you do the timber first, it will get dry. Or maybe you'll be tempted to do the timber on the roof and it will get dry if you still don't have the Mabati. So go for the Mabati first, place them somewhere, and then you source for the timber. After that, you can do your roof the way you want. Consider there are things that are going to be done on that roof. Things like the weatherboards, things like the pressure board. Those are going to be done on that roof, and your roof will come out so nicely. Roofing is another step which is very difficult and very tiring. It is also very expensive. So you should be ready for it and discuss it with your fundi and your contractor. There are times that when the fundi does not know how to give you the right quotation, you will find yourself that you've put money in one part. Let me say, like, he has given you more quotation on the Mabati and the timber is less. So be very careful on this stage. Discuss it with your fundi, and if you know that he has a problem of doing a quotation, get another opinion. Let me stop at that point, my dear viewers. This is how we do our roofing in Kenya. I don't know how it's done in your country. I know this video is going to be seen by so many people from different countries. But let me know, do you do your roofing like Kenyans? If you do, let me just know from the comment below. Kindly subscribe to my channel, and let's meet on my next video.